Hey everyone, my name is Chris Hoquis, and I'm extremely excited to be part of the Digital Workshop Center instructor team. I am primarily teaching project management. I'm also the instructor that is helping you prepare for all things related to the Project Management Institute's exams, so the PMP or the CAPM designations. I've been teaching for the last 7 years now. I have a history of teaching at the university level, teaching classes in business analysis, agile project management, and project management as a profession. In my free time, I love all things related to basketball. I've been coaching basketball for about 10 years. I'm a huge admirer of alpacas, and I'm hooked ever since I went to Peru. I really love volunteering my time and really just traveling and helping out any way I can. Before the pandemic, I made it my whole yearly annual holiday tradition to volunteer abroad and just kind of help out. So I've been all over Latin America, brushing up on my Spanish and just helping out any way I can. Again, super excited to be part of the Digital Workshop Center team. I've been teaching here for a number of cohorts now, and it's been extremely exciting. The diversity in the classes, being able to connect with all types of different professions and really bring project management to life. When you look at the textbook definition of project management and all the associated resources to it, I'll be honest, like it's not the most glamorous because if anybody's read project management textbooks, they're not the most exciting, but that's why I really pride myself on being able to bring this content to life through examples, through tools and technology. And especially now that we're transitioning into more remote work, especially in the project management field, being able to be aware of the tools and techniques that are predominantly being used now is absolutely key to stay ahead in project management in different industries and in the field and profession itself. And so I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to being a part of your project management journey. And yeah, really excited. So thanks so much. See you soon. Ciao.